a van goes round and round, round and round, round and round, and the wheels of a van goes round and round, all through the town. How are you? Are you okay? I'm fine, and you? I'm fine. So Teacher Anauncieta, welcome to Easy Elimu, Learning Simplified. Now, you remember yesterday we did the multiplication table? Who can remind me some of the things we said yesterday? Any number times a 1 is that number, and any number times a 0 is a 0. Now, today you want to do the multiplication table of number 10, and you have it here. We just want to complete our table and see who did the correct thing, and from there we'll have learned the multiplication table of number 10. So if I'm here, I'll do for 6, then we are saying 6 by 2. What is 6 times 2? We were supposed to add. If this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Counting in 2s, this one will be 12. Then we said, if this is 12, if this is 15, we increase. We go, this is 12, 15, 16, 17. It increases to 18. Then this one is 6 times 4. What is 6 times 4? 6 times 4, if this is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We are adding 4. Then 6 times 5, we use our method. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we say 6 times 5 is a 30. What about 6 times 7? 6 times 6 first. So this is 30. We increase by 6. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Then this is 6 times 7. What is 6 times 7? We are increasing 35 by 7. So 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. And then we increase 6 times 8 goes to 40 plus 8 is 48. And when you go to 6 times 9, it will give you 54. Now we move on. 7 by 2, we increase. This is 12 plus 2 is 14. 7 by 3, look at the table around. 7 is there. What is 7 by 3? Is 21. Very good. What about 7 by 4? Look at the multiplication table for number. It is 28. And 7 times 5. Where is 7 times 5? It's here. 35. Then we have 7 times 6. What is 7 times 6? We are here. It will give you 42. Then we have 7 times 6. 7 times 7. What is 7 times 7? 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. Then we have 7 times 8. What is 7 times 8? 7 times 8. This is 48. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. And 7 times 9, you get a 63. You move on to the multiplication table of number 8. It is 8 times 2. We increase 14, 15, 16. 8 times 3. Look at the multiplication table of number 8. What is 8 times 3? It is 24. Then we have 8 times 4. Look at the multiplication table. You get a 32. 8 times 5. We use our method. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So I get there 40. 8 times 6. Look at 8 times 6. It's here. 48. And 8 times 7. What did you get? 56. And 8 times 8. 56 plus 8. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. We are on the multiplication table of number 9. We are saying 9 by 2. What do you get? It is 16 plus 2 is 18. 9 by 3. Look at the multiplication table of number 9. by 3 is 27. 9 by 4, we are on 9. All the answers are there. Do it very fast. 36. 9 times 5, 45. 9 times 6, have you seen? We are here. 54. 9 times 7, 63. 9 times 8 gives you 72. And 9 times 9 gives you 89. Now we are on the last one. The last and the easiest. 10. Any number times a 10 is that number and a 0. Again, any number times a 10 is that number and a 0. So, what is 10 times 2? Teacher, it is 2 and a 0, 20. What is 10 times 3? 30. What is 10 times 4? 40. What is 10 times 5? 50. What is 10 times 6? That number and a 0, that is 60. What is 10 times 7? That number and a 0, 70. What is 10 times 8? That number and a 0. And what is 10 times 9? It is 90. And you will have your full multiplication table without any struggle. Very easy and very, very interesting. Any question? Now, I want people to do the multiplication wheel. See, you have your full multiplication table. Now, I want to show you how we now use the same multiplication table to do the multiplication wheel. So we are doing multiplication table of number 8, 9, and 10. So how many wheels are we going to have? We are going to have 3 wheels. You don't need this. You only need 6, not even 6, not even 7. I've said 8, 9, and 10. Those are the only 2 numbers. The other one was just a revision of what we did in grade 2. Now, this one is what we want to do. We are having a multiplication wheel. The center number is the number that do not change at all. That is 8. Then these numbers here are the numbers that change. Multiplication wheel. And now the outer circle is where you put your answers. So it is as simple as that. So I'm only showing you this example, and then you will do for number 9 and 10. So if 8 is my main number, I'll write here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, what do I do? It is as simple as this. 8 times 2. What is 8 times 2? You look at your multiplication table and you get your answer. 8 times 2 gives you what? Someone give me the answer? 16. Very good. Then you go 8 times 3. It is like this. So this number is written as 8x. So you're saying 8 times 3. You come look at the multiplication table. You get is 24. We go 8 times 4. You look at the multiplication table. You get your answer as 32. What is 8 times 5? Look at your multiplication table. You get your answer as 40. 8 times 6. You get your answer as 48. 8 times 7. You get your answer as 56. And 8 times 8. You get your answer as 64. What of 8 times 9? The answer is 72. Any question? So I need the one for number 9 and 10. With the help of your guardians, do multiplication of number 9 and 10 using the multiplication wheel, the way I have done it on the board. It was nice having you around, and I hope we have enjoyed this multiplication thing. so much. It was very, very interesting. Thank you.